episode 9 or part 2 of William's House Fire actually being delayed. Here's just a guy with glasses.
Hi, you might know me as Bottom Fifth King. Now it's the Bottom Fifth King Master.
Sorry, it's censored.
Oh, what?
Ah! That's me! And that's me! What? We have a family.
We do.
This is my father.
I know your dad. I'm your friend, yo.
That's your... Hi, Caskets.
Welcome. Please subscribe to me.
Help Juliet reach all the way to 1 billion subscribers before PewDiePie does.
Yeah, why? I didn't get a strike.
Pi gets 199,999,999 subscribers. That's right.
Alright, it is Maddie's turn. I'm gonna go tell Maddie.
That is 99 subscribers. That means he's gonna get close to 1 billion subscribers. And welcome back to another episode of News 12.
Yeah.
We are bowling here, and that's the bowling alley.
Yeah, we see that a lot in here.
We stink a lot in here. This is me. Woo! And that's the beach. Oh no, watch out, shark!
How about me? Yeah, what's up? It's me, Bottom Fifth King Master. Follow me on my YouTube, yo. It's insane. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Sorry, there was an earthquake.
That's so
Morning. I'm here to say, there's my name in a major. It is still Luke's turn.
Oh, whoa. Timing.
And look, we're on the face.
Oh, wait, what the heck? Whoa. This is cool.
Give me those goggles.
Oh, hey.
Oh, did you pop me? Alright, people, you heard that? He's my... I got 9 pins!
What the heck did you do, Cooper? Oh, there's another ball.
Mom, go get the guy. I think I accidentally...
What? Easy. You accidentally what?
It went on their side.
Oh, all right. So go to.
Hold it. Nope.
You can tell Mr. Time.
Sorry.
Hey, get your hand out of there.
And there you have it. Goodbye. End of vlog.